Hello students, this is our fourth subject, Geography of India, and in the second chapter we will be focused upon the North Mountain region. The second chapter is Physical Division of India. As you know, if we focused upon or the see towards our India, there are the five major physical divisions has been found. First is North Indian mountain region, then North Indian plain region, then Peninsula Plateau, then coastal plain, and last one is the Indian islands. These are the five major physical division of India. Among of these five, we are going to discuss first division of India is North Mountain region. The northmost mountain regions, as we know, the India's northern part mostly covered by the Great Himalaya, means world Great Himalaya is lying near to the northern India, and this is the Young Fold mountain. As we know, this is not a old mountain. It's recently happened into. As we know, there is a one theory is behind the formation of this Himalaya. The plate tectonic is responsible for the formation of this Himalaya. Means the mud which is located into the Tethys Sea is getting fold, and after that is created this Himalaya, and they are run from west to east, and the direction from Indus to Brahmaputra covering distance 2500 km is the length of this great Himalaya, and width is varies from 400 km to 150 km. This is a great variation into the this Himalaya's depthness or the width. This Himalaya is divided into the three parts. First is Greater Himalaya, it's also known as Himadri. Second, Lesser Himalaya is known as Himachal. And third is Outer Himalaya is known as the Shivalik Hills. Firstly, we are going to focus upon the first division of this mountain region is the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. It's the northernmost range of the peaks, the northernmost part of this Himalaya. Average height is 6000 meters and is lie between 120 to 190 kilometers. I mean, this is the width of this Himalaya, 120 to 190 kilometer, and it has high peaks like Mount Everest is located in Himadri. Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulgiri, Nanga Parbat. These are some examples where this highest locations is located into this region, or we can say these are the peaks which height is more than 8000 meters. The Mount Everest size is 8848 meters and is located into the Himalaya. Then the pass exists in this range, namely Bara, Lachala, then Shipkila, Nathula, Zojila. These are the passes. Passes means you can, in Marathi we can say that the खिंड, एका खिंडीतनं दुसऱ्या खिंडीकडे जाण्याचा मार्ग त्याला पास असं या ठिकाणी म्हटलं. तर त्यामध्ये बारा ला Lachala, then Shipkila and Nathula, these are the passes is located here. The Ganga and Yamuna rivers originate from this Himalaya. These are the world's big rivers. Origin is located into this Himalaya. Then the second is Lesser Himalaya, or it's also known as the Himachal. The height of this Himachal is 1000 to 4500 meter. Average width of this Himalaya is 50 kilometer. There are the ranges like as Pir Panjal, okay, Daula Dharan, then Mahabharata range. These are the names of these mountains which fall into the Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas or in Himachal. Many hill station is there like as the Shimla, Dalhousie, Darjeeling, then Chakrata, then Mussoorie, Nainital. These are the hilly region is fall into this Himachal region. And then many valleys also observed into this region. There is a valley of Kashmir, Kulu Valley, then Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Then outer Himalaya. The outer Himalaya or this Shivalik range, also known as the Shivalik range, is the southernmost part of the Himalaya. Its height varies from 900 to 1100 meter, and width is very less comparatively. Means the Himalayas width is 400 kilometer, but here we can find out 10 to 50 kilometer width. And valley is lying between Shivalik and Lesser Himalaya. It's known as the Himachal. The dunes like Dehra Dunes, Kotli Dunes and Patli Dunes are the major dunes is located between these Shivalik ranges. Then another part of the Himalaya is the Trans-Himalaya ranges. It extends north of Greater Himalaya and parallel to the called Jaskar range. Means what is Trans-Himalaya is look like not a part of Himalaya. Is look like as not a part of Himalaya. They are isolated from Himalaya, but they are the still part of Himalaya. North of Jaskar range lies the Ladakh range. The Indus River flow between the Jaskar and Ladakh range. The Karakoram range is lie extreme north of the country, and K2 is the second highest peak of the world, also located into this Trans-Himalaya ranges. And another part of Himalaya is the Purvanchal Hills. It comprises the Mishami, Patkoi, Naga, Mizo, which are located in the eastern part. The Meghalaya plateau is also part of these hills, which include the hills of the Garo, Khasi and Jaitia. Means Garo, Khasi, Jaitia, which is located in most India's eastern part, whereas you can find out this hilly region have not a great height. Okay, means this Purvanchal Hills is located in the eastern part of India and eastern part of also Himalaya. Then division of Himalaya. If you focus upon the Himalaya as a regional wise, it's also divided into the three parts. First is the Punjab Himalaya. Its section between the Indus and Satluj is known as the Punjab. Himalaya is also called the Jammu, Kashmir and Himachal because of the most of the section is located into these two states. This section is 460 km long. An important range is the Ladakh, Pir Panjal and Dauladhar, and Jaskar also, which is a part of Trans-Himalaya. The Zojila Pass, an altitude of 3,444 meters above the mean sea level, is located into the Punjab Himalaya. Then second important part of Himalaya is Kumaon Himalaya, is located into the Uttaranchal region. It runs for the distance of 320 kilometers between the Satluj and Kali River. This higher than the Punjab Himalaya, and great rivers like as Ganga and Yamuna also origin from this Kumaon Himalaya. The Nepal Himalaya, this situated between the Kali and the Tista. Tista is a major tributary of Brahmaputra river. Between the Kali and Tista, the Nepal Himalaya is located, and its length is much greater than any of the Himalaya, is 800 kilometers. Most of it is located into the Nepal, so its name is Nepal Himalaya. This is the highest part of Himalaya, whereas the Lhosi peaks like as a Everest, the Kanchenjunga, Dhaulgiri, Annapurna and Makalu are located world's highest peak in this Nepal Himalaya. The flat Kathmandu Valley also situated into this region means world's highest peak, whereas located there also the plain region is observed. And last, the Assam Himalaya. This is the fourth division of Himalaya. Its extent from the distance 720 km between the river Tista and Dihang, or it's also known as the Songpo. It's also known as the Brahmaputra. Means Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya and Assam Himalaya. These are the four major divisions of the Himalaya. Thank you very much.